Hi, I'm going to show you how to install the Defender series on your device. Begin taking apart the case by peeling the slipcover off the shell, starting at the Apple Pencil side. Then, starting at the far corners, unsnap the shell. Then, move to the middle and short edges, ending with unsnapping the pencil edge. Now, place the iPad into the lid and snap shut, starting at the Apple Pencil edge first. Wrap the slipcover around the shell, pressing it into place along the edges and around the camera. Now for your shield stand. Lift on the internal stand and lock it in place. Your iPad sits on the stand at a low angle for typing, and a taller angle for landscape and portrait viewing. Have an Apple Pencil? Your Apple Pencil pairs and charges along the long edge of your iPad. While this port is not used for storing, you have easy access to your Apple Pencil while it charges. That's it! Your new iPad is protected and ready for use.